mainit din ba dyan sa Alberta? Dito sa Las Vegas, mainit nga. Summer kami dito, over 100 degrees. Gaano kainit dyan sa inyo? Gaano kainit dyan? Junjun. Yung ano, I think I have a friend there. I have a, no, my auntie lives in Canada too. I don't know exactly where in Canada, but it's maybe Vancouver or somewhere. Di ko natanong sa kanila exactly kung saan sila nakatira eh. 32 degrees. Wow. Dito umabot kami ng ano, dito kami 100 degrees, 100 over 100 degrees kami dito. Super hot. Hot and dry too. Kasi desert to eh. Kamusta yung ano diyan, yung what do you call this? May heat warning po, champ. Oo nga eh. Kaya mag-ingat lang, ano lang, try to avoid pumunta sa mga ganong lugar, mainit. Kung as much as possible, mag-stay kayo sa mga, ano, yung mga establishment. Ano kayo, window shopping kayo, whatever. At least malamig doon. O kaya stay home. Pag may air condition ka naman sa bahay, di ba? Yeah. Dito sa akin 24 hours naka-on yung ano ko, yung air condition ko kasi mainit. Hindi pwedeng hindi mag-aircon dito dahil sa Las Vegas, alam mo na Las Vegas, ano to, napakainit dito pag during the summer. Over 100 degrees lagi, every day. Bigyan shout out sa mga pamilya mo dyan, Junjun, Dalugdog. Taga saan ka ba sa Pilipinas, Junjun? Wayne, very hot. I know. It is very hot today. Oh, how are you, Wayne? Oh, I don't have a chance. I think we'll do it again. The crabs buffet at the South Point. We'll do it again. But the problem is, I work that day all the time. Friday is always busy, so I don't have a chance to go there. But today, I just went to Shenzhen for a quick lunch, and then I supposed to go to the buffet, but the buffet is a mile long, so I cannot wait that long. I have to go back home right away. Jun. Update mo po kami this coming August 21. Okay, I will do. Sa laban ni Pacquiao. At saka sa itong yung June 19, may laban si Kasim Naoyan Inoue versus Dasmariñas, Michael Dasmariñas. Abangan natin. Yun yung mauna bago kay Pacquiao. Napanood mo ba yung interview ko kay Nonoy Nire, yung Team Pacquiao? Andyan sa channel ko rin, sa YouTube, sa Champ TV. Roland Bohol. Wing Chong, good eating El Pulo Loco. Oh, you eat the Puyo Loco. I like the Puyo Loco once in a while. Yeah. The crazy chicken. Puyo Loco. Yeah. But I have too much chicken wing. I try to avoid chicken for maybe a month. I miss the crabs though. I think we'll do it next time. Cebu po, Cham. Oh, taga Cebu po kayo pala. Okay. Pero ngayon, matagal na kayo dyan sa Canada. How long you been there in Canada, Junjun? Wayne, make a shout out to you, Wayne, and your wife and the whole family. Aloha and mahalo. Thank you for joining me. Make a shout out to all the viewers. Thank you for joining me. Just leave if you have any question or comments and reaction, please don't forget to write down below. Thank you. big shout out po to all the viewers. Pasok po kayo, Johnny.